So, I'm getting ready for my Muay Thai fight, and I'm printing here at Greencom my flyers. So I'm really excited for my flyers. Not my flyers. It's like my round one, round two. This is amazing. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun tonight. It's gonna be a really fun night. Fight! 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 Okay, so now I'm printing. See? This is the print shop. It's called Greencom. You can print everything here at Greencom. I love how they do business. It's just simple. It's like you get it done, and you get on working. So yeah, now I'm gonna go have something to eat, and then after that, I'm gonna go to my fight. Look at who I'm meeting. Look at this man.
How are
Yo,
you?
look at this man. This is my brother's Finn.
What's up?
Isn't he the sexiest man? Look at him.
Stop it.
Look at the abs. Yo. I do that with men, especially good looking men. How are you?
Great, and yourself?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, I'm very good. I'm doing a little video.
Nice.
Ooh, fancy. Very good. Very good. Some Mexican food. Fried onions, taco with turkey, and salsa. Yep.